Once upon a time, in a big green jungle, there lived a strong lion. Everyone in the jungle called him the king of the jungle. He was brave and powerful, and all the animals were a little afraid of him. One hot afternoon, the lion was walking near the river to drink water. Suddenly, he saw a huge elephant standing beside the river. The elephant was calm and gentle, slowly splashing water on himself. The lion roared loudly and said, "Hey, elephant! This jungle belongs to me. I am the king here." The elephant looked at the lion and smiled quietly. He said, "Yes, lion, you are very strong. But strength is not everything. Kindness and wisdom are important too." The lion became a little angry. He said, "I am the strongest animal in the jungle. No one can defeat me." Just then, a loud cracking sound came from the trees. A hunter's trap had caught a small deer. The poor deer was crying and struggling to get free. The lion tried to pull the trap open with his teeth, but it was too strong. The elephant stepped forward. With his powerful trunk, he gently lifted the trap and broke it open. The deer ran away safely. The lion watched in surprise. The elephant said kindly, "Lion, being strong is good, but helping others is even better." The lion lowered his head and said, "You are right, my friend. Today you showed me that true greatness comes from kindness." From that day on, the lion and the elephant became good friends. Together, they protected the animals of the jungle and kept everyone safe. And the jungle became a happier place. Moral of the story: true strength comes from kindness and helping others.